Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about communication skills for toddlers, aka how to survive all the no, mine, and mysterious screams, and actually help your little one learn to communicate clearly and confidently. 1. What communication means for toddlers. Communication for toddlers is way more than just clear words. It includes gestures, pointing at the cookie jar like it's urgent business, sounds, babbling, squeals, and those sentences that sound like alien language, facial expressions, the death stare when you say bedtime, big smiles, puzzled frowns, actions, dragging you to the fridge, handing you shoes because obviously it's time to go out, the big idea. Treat all of these as real communication because for toddlers they absolutely are. 2. Build connection first. Toddlers communicate best when they feel safe, loved, and slightly in charge. Get down at their eye level so you're not the giant voice from the sky. Say their name and wait. Yes, even if they're very busy reorganizing your kitchen drawers. Use a warm, animated voice. This is your chance to win an Oscar for Best Parent in a supporting role. Follow their lead. Talk about the random sock they're obsessed with, not just your to-do list. When kids feel seen and heard, they're more willing to try new sounds, words, and ideas, instead of just yelling. 3. Talk through everyday routines. You don't need fancy flashcards. Real life is your best teaching tool. Meal times. Name foods and describe them. Banana, yellow banana, soft banana. Even if most of it goes on the floor. Bath time. Talk about water, bubbles, splashing, and the 17 bath toys they insist on bringing. Getting dressed. Name clothes and actions. Shirt on, pants on, socks on your stinky feet. Use short, simple sentences and build up. Cup. Blue cup. Drink water from the blue cup. Try speaking in sentences that are one step longer than what your toddler says. If they say one word, you use 2 or 3. Think of yourself as their slightly more advanced language buddy. 4. Use repetition and routines. Toddlers learn by hearing the same things, over and over and over. Sound familiar? Repeat keywords. Ball, big ball, roll the ball. Use the same songs and rhymes each day, even if you're tired of Baby Shark. Build small rituals. The same good morning song, the same silly bedtime phrase. Predictable words help kids jump in with a sound, a word, or a gesture. Yes, your 100th repeat is actually helping their brain grow. 5. Encourage, don't correct. You are a translator, not a strict grammar teacher. Child. Wah-wah. Adult. Yes, water. Cold water. Drink water. Child. Doggy run. Adult. The dog is running. Fast dog. No need to say, no, say it like this. Just model the right way and move on. Celebrate every attempt. Sounds, pointing, half words, and enthusiastic yelling all count as effort. 6. Turn-taking games. Conversation is basically a game of taking turns, something toddlers are still figuring out. Roll a ball back and forth. My turn, your turn. Yes, they may try to keep both turns. That's normal. Stack blocks. You add one, then wait for them to add the next. Sound games. You say baba, they try to copy, and you act like they just performed at a concert. The magic trick is the pause. Say something, then wait. Those quiet seconds, where you resist the urge to fill the silence, give your toddler time to respond. 7. Limit background noise and screams. Toddlers learn language best from real humans, not from the 47th episode of their favorite cartoon. Turn off the TV during play and meals so your words don't have to compete. Keep background noise low so they can actually hear you. If you use screens, treat them like a shared activity. Sit together and talk about what you see. Remember, the most powerful learning app in your home is you, your face, your voice, your attention. 8. When to seek extra support. Every child has their own timeline. Some start talking early, some save it up and suddenly burst into full sentences. Still, it's a good idea to talk with a pediatrician or speech-language professional if you notice. Very few sounds or gestures by around 18 months. No words at all, or losing words they used to say. Little eye contact, or not responding to their name. Getting help early doesn't mean something is wrong. It just gives them extra support to succeed. To boost toddler communication, remember 3 big ideas: connect, respond, and repeat. Connect with your child at their level, respond to every little attempt, yes, even the dramatic ones, and repeat simple language during your everyday routines. If this video made you feel a little more confident, or at least a little less alone, hit like, subscribe for more real-life parenting tips, and share this with anyone currently negotiating with a tiny human. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.